So the question is, azithromycin belongs to the class of the following drugs, and the answer is antibiotics. So if we see the classification of antimicrobials, these are the agents which or compounds or medicines, you can say anything, which prevent and treat infections caused by microorganisms. Microorganisms may be bacteria, virus, fungi, and antiparasites or anything. The important thing is any antimicrobial drug works against only one type of organism. So that is why particularly azithromycin, if suppose it is antibiotic, means it act against bacteria only. So if we see the classification of antibiotics, azithromycin comes under the class of macrolide or lincosamide antibiotics. Other classes of antibiotics are beta-lactam, glycopeptide, aminoglycoside, tetracycline, quinolone, rifampin, sulfonamides. And if we see the mechanism of action of azithromycin, which comes under the class of macrolide or lincosamides, all these other drugs including azithromycin like clarithromycin, azithromycin or clindamycin, they target bacterial ribosomal subunit 50S. And in line with that, other question is, nystatin belongs to the class of the following drugs, and this answer for this question is nystatin comes under the class of antifungal drugs. And if we see the classification of antifungal drugs, nystatin comes under the class of polyene antifungal drug, and other classes of antifungal drugs are azole, allylamine, echinocandins and other drugs. In the azole class, there are two classes, that is imidazole and triazole. And you tell me the answer for this, that why this other classes is mentioned and why there is no, and this classification you can see this is based on the structure of the molecule or that drug. And nystatin comes under the polyene class, and apart from nystatin, amphotericin B also comes under the polyene antibiotics. I hope these two questions you understood it clearly, and it will help you in the understanding or just remembering the things.